sense. What's up everyone? I'm back again. And today I'm about to DM my baby mother for longest while. As you can see, I'm the same shirt from last week video. I'm telling them a story. And I have a old piece of phone. The screen all crack right there, so basically nothing now go on for me. I'm see a bag of things are going for my career right now where she have money. I don't know when a man have money at the right time running back. You know? And be there for her, support her. Cause some of the money there them good right now, honestly. So I shot her a DM. Shot her a DM and see what's going on. More if she still has a feeling for me. Right now I'm there on her Instagram. Put up right. I'm going to space. I'm there on her Instagram right now. And open her secret over this, alright? There on her Instagram right now. She reached 100k followers on the gram. And she all gone to Canada. And man still there so can't leave the country. So my phone cheap, then if I use that app I got a watermark on the screen recorder. When you hit her up, she had a flick. Oh, now I get copyright. Oi. The green hair and thing. It's a real beauty. This is a real beauty. Look on her ear. See her ear pretty? A real beauty this. A real beauty that. No, I hear that. Not even interested in that right now. Right now, I'm just want to jump in the idea. Yeah, right, Marco. I know your pump good. So as you can see, me in our DM right now. Alright, so I'm start off. Babe. Where's my cat? Hold on. Oh, that's an idea. I know. I have been missing for 5 years now. And honestly, girl, I want you back. I see give a spell. I see you enjoying your life. Traveling to Canada. Can't give a spell. Go Canada spell people. Traveling to Canada. I'm getting thick. I'm getting thick. I miss the sections. The sexy body. The sexy body. That's it. Can't make sure that because she have money, I want her, but I make sure things say, yeah. You know, I want her from my heart. Just say, yeah, yeah, love money. I need you from my heart. No. Mm. From my heart. Deep down when I want part. Round so. I feel me I go say nothing more till now. Try to get a reply first. You understand? I'm trying to get a reply from her first and so which part I head there. Then I jump in most. So I just send it. Bigger ball I miss you, baby. Should I send? So guys, I hope I get a reply from her. She have money and if I do my well right now. Right now why Scott feel like it down my mouth. We need a change of shirt, the one same shirt for much weeks now. Piece of phone. We need an iPhone now. She have money and now use